Skateboarding is an adrenaline-fueled outdoor sport that helps riders control balance, motion, and even gravity. However, with technological advancements, the skateboard industry has changed a lot. Now we see various types of skateboards, among which the electric skateboards are the most noticeable ones, and they have entirely changed the way of skateboarding. That said, in today's video, we've discussed the 7 best electric skateboards under $500 just for you. So let's skate through the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Specially engineered and designed for kids and teens, the Skatebolt Brisk can provide a smooth skateboarding experience. This skateboard is highly rugged because of its ABS, polycarbonate, and glass fiber construction. It can endure a maximum user weight of up to 154 pounds. Unlike other conventional electric skateboards, it comes with a high-speed brushless motor which allows you to skate at a top speed of 11 miles per hour, and you can go up to 7 miles with the help of its integrated battery. But if you want to ride more, recharge the battery for only 2 hours. Operating this 8-pound skateboard is a breeze. You need to lean forward to accelerate and backward to decelerate and brake. Lastly, its 2-inch wheels will quickly adapt to small bumps and other obstacles on the road and help you climb a slope of up to 10 degrees confidently. Crafted from high-end materials and loaded with a myriad of impressive functions, the Teamgee H5 Blade is no compromise electric skateboard that'll take your skateboarding to a whole new level. Its deck is made of 10-ply Canadian maple and 1-ply fiberglass and can tolerate up to a staggering 220 pounds of rider's weight. The skateboard comes with 2 380-watt hub motors which allow it to top out at 22 miles per hour. Besides, the skateboard's concave design and soft bushing allow effortless and comfortable turning. These functions also play a crucial role in enhanced uphill climbing. With ultra-thin polymer batteries, this 13.7-pound skateboard will provide a comfortable riding experience for up to 11 miles. All in all, whether it's about hanging around with friends or commuting to any nearby places from home, this Teamgee H5 Blade will never let you down with its excellent functions. Meet OwnBoard M1, one of the best belt-driven electric skateboards available. It can deliver comfortable and enjoyable riding on both smooth roads and steep trails. Made from 8 layers maple, its deck allows for rugged use and can endure a massive user weight of up to 265 pounds. And not only that, but this deck also offers excellent flexibility which will help you while whipping the board around and performing tight turns. With 2 5045 dual belt motors, this board can generate a top speed of 26 miles per hour. Now let's talk a bit about the uphill riding performance and range. Well, this 15.8-pound skateboard can climb uphill with a 30% grade and can go up to 15 miles on a full charge. Overall, this OwnBoard M1 has some lucrative features that'll make you step on and ride again and again on various roads. Featuring an appealing design and ensuring adrenaline-fueled riding performance, this WoWGo 3 breaks the traditional norms of e-skateboards. Unlike most electric skateboards, this one has a comfortable-to-stand deck built with bamboo and fiberglass. Thus, the deck can easily endure a maximum load of up to 331 pounds. Furthermore, the deck features integrated pair trucks which help you enjoy comfortable curving and stability on various routes. The skateboard can reach a top speed of 24 miles per hour, and to elevate your riding experience, it offers 4 speed modes to cycle through. Speaking of the skating range, the 17.2 pounds electric skateboard can go up to 15 miles on a single charge, and it lets you ride on slopes with up to 25 to 30% grade. Finally, it contains a remote with an OLED display which shows the speed, mode, and total range, and it's a fantastic option available for purchase. As we climb up on the list, the e-skateboard you're gonna meet now is definitely better than the previous one in terms of features and performance, and this is the Lycaon GR. Its stylish deck is crafted from 8-ply Canadian maple, and as a result, the deck offers impressive shock absorption even while enduring a considerable load of up to 220 pounds. This electric skateboard comes with two 480-watt motors which help you to go at high speed of 24 miles per hour, and if you want to play with speed, it gives you 4 speed modes to utilize. With a 4.2-inch ground clearance, this 18.9 pounds e-skateboard can climb hills with up to 30% grade and go around 20 miles on a single charge though. In summary, this Lycaon GR is backed by all the top quality features that you want from a premium quality electric skateboard to enjoy the best riding on various terrains. Backfire is a renowned brand, which always impresses its consumers by introducing superior quality skateboards. Now let's meet the Backfire G2 Black electric skateboard with several promising features to notice. The manufacturer gives its deck an ergonomic design which increases your skateboard's overall aesthetics besides making it capable of tolerating a massive load of around 240 pounds. This e-skateboard features two 400-watt hub motors, providing the rotational power you need for high-speed riding of up to 24 miles per hour. Alongside that, it boasts a 187-watt hourly lithium battery which helps you to go around 12.5 miles on a full charge. Last but not least, this 16.2-pound skateboard contains 7-inch trucks, giving you an outstanding curving experience and improved stability. And its 3.77-inch wheels will enable you to pass through any short grass, dirt, and gravel smoothly. Meet our overall best option on the list, the MEEPO version 3, which is specially engineered to provide the power, speed, and reliability you need for a fantastic skateboarding experience. Its deck is available in 2 variations. One is made from 8-ply Canadian maple, offering elegant aesthetics and optimal robustness, and the other one is crafted from bamboo and 2-ply fiberglass, ensuring utmost flexibility, strength, and durability. However, no matter which deck material you choose, it'll always provide the best performance and endure an impressive load of around 330 pounds. With 2 powerful 540-watt motors, this skateboard can accelerate from 0 to 19 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, and its top speed is 29 miles per hour. Besides, it can climb hills with up to 30% grade and can crank out about 11 miles on a single charge. Lastly, depending on the deck, its weight ranges from 17.1 to 18.3 pounds, which promotes easy carrying. So that was all about the 7 best electric skateboards under $500. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.